Not too sexy, because only my man can see all of this. In the right way. What's up, babes? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another vlog. So you guys, today is Saturday. I am starting off the vlog on a Saturday. I was supposed to start the vlog yesterday. What did we do yet? We went to the movies. Babe and I went to the movies, y'all, yesterday. We went to go see Halloween, was it just called Halloween? Halloween Kills. I think that's what it was. Halloween. And it was actually okay. It was kind of okay, but it was also kind of corny. But I was gonna vlog, but I didn't end up vlogging because my hair wasn't done, yada, yada, yada. So basically, long story short, I haven't done anything that I was supposed to do today. I was supposed to go to a day party early today to see one of my friends and celebrate her birthday. We actually went to high school together, but I didn't get a chance to do that. So hopefully I get to see her tonight. I don't know, because now I have to go on to the next thing. So the next event that I have tonight is a Halloween party. So I put this unit on. This unit is from AF Sister Wigs. I crimped it. You guys have already seen this whole look, this whole unit and everything. So I'm getting ready to take me a quick shower and put on what I'm wearing tonight. By the way, you guys, this was totally last minute. I already had known about the party, but I didn't actually know that it was a Halloween dress-up party. And I love, love, love Halloween. If you know me, then you know I love Halloween, honey. So I'm actually gonna be like a Playboy. I think it's called Playboy Sexy Gangster. It's actually kind of corny, but we're gonna roll with it. Okay, we're gonna roll with it. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing and everything. I'm getting ready to show y'all that now before I actually put it on. I cannot wait until next weekend, because we're also going to another Halloween party. Babe and I are going to be, I'm not gonna tell you. You guys are gonna have to wait till the next vlog to see that. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So here is my setup. This is the Playboy kind of outfit that I'm supposed to be wearing. I think these are like the handcuffs. This is the hat. I'm not really sure if I want to wear the hat, but the hat does go along with the skirt. Y'all, I got this from City Trends, girl. It was $9.99. It was $10. Don't y'all tell nobody. And I actually tried it on earlier to make sure it was babe approved, because y'all know he was giving me hell about it. It was actually this one and another one. He still really ain't approved of this one, but we're gonna go ahead and roll with it, okay? So it actually came with like the clear straps, as you guys can see. But it was so damn janky and cheap as hell that it actually popped. One of them popped. So now I'm gonna have to kind of wear it, figure out how to wear it a different way. I don't really know if I want to wear the hat or not. I mean, it's kind of cute how she's wearing it though. I mean, she's giving, okay? But y'all, $10, like, I'm not even mad. It was so last minute, and I love Halloween. I love to dress up. So this is what the hat looks like. I actually should have put on some like purple eyeshadow, because these bunnies are purple, but girl, I got on a little glitter and we're gonna call it a day. And then I actually picked up these little fishnet kind of knee-high stockings to go with the garters on here. So we're gonna see how that looks. And then I probably end up wearing I think if we're gonna be outside for the most part. But I mean, if you're gonna do it, then do it. So y'all know I'm wearing heels. Sis ain't finna wear no boots, okay? I'm wearing heels. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it all the way. So let me get ready, and then I'll talk to you guys in a minute. And honey, this is what she's giving, okay? Girl, how I'm looking, girl? How I'm looking? Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes. Can y'all see me?
Yes.
Shut up. I told Babe he gotta take my pictures. And I actually decided to put on some tights, y'all, because it's kind of cold and I just wanted to be appropriate. You know, I want to be sexy.
Yeah, appropriate. Me.
But not too sexy, because only my man can see all of this. In the right way.
Right.
So y'all, my lip, I just got on MAC Naturally Transform. I got on the gloss. I just wanted to keep it real simple. And girl, for my fragrance, it was only right for me to pull out this badass fragrance. So this is Catalina Herrera Good Gal. Yes, girl. It was only right for me to wear this. But like not too much, you know. I think I look so cute. What y'all think? Comment down below. So I made this $10 outfit do what it do, honey. I told y'all. It ain't about how much you spend on it, it's how you rock it, okay? So yeah, this is what I'm giving y'all for real on a serious tip. hopefully y'all were able to see me. I'm gonna try to take some pictures, y'all. Y'all know I suck at taking pictures, but I'm gonna try. Oh, I was gonna wear the hat, but the hat was giving me cowboy vibes. Like, I'm like, bitch, are you a cowgirl, cowboy, or are you a playboy? Which one? So I just decided to rip off the ribbon that was actually on it, and I just tied it on babe's finger, and I just put it on my, what's wrong, baby? Oh, thank you. I had already put something on there. Does it look kind of dry? Take care of me, baby. So sweet. Step over there. So yeah, I had basically just tied it up. And then I put a pin in it. I pulled a little bit of my hair out. And this is what I got. So, if I'm vlog and if I do show you guys a little bit of, you know, something, it's going to be on my phone. So, Lego.
Oh, it does have eyeballs in it.
What's up, you guys? So today is Monday, y'all. I have not done hardly any vlogging, girl. Like, I have not been doing nothing ever since the Halloween party, girl. I have not been doing nothing. Like, I literally went to work today. I took Kayson to the library for the first time, like to a huge library. He really enjoyed it, y'all. They had like some painting going on. We got a chance to check out a few books that he was interested in, and he's actually going to be doing this Halloween project, or like a book story project. It's just choosing your favorite book character and decorating a pumpkin. I actually gave it to my students as well, because you guys know I teach first grade, he's in first grade. So I'm going to show you guys on what we came up with. I actually found it on Google, and it's so freaking cute. I just got to find some underwear for the pumpkin girl, but it's super cute. But anyway, and I went over to my mom's house to pick up my packages. Y'all, I need to get a P.O. box so bad, because I had so many boxes at my mom's house. And I know most of this stuff is like for review or like PR stuff like that. So I really need a P.O. box so I can stop giving out my personal information, for real. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I just recently got real quick. So y'all, today while I was at work, I literally took my nail files with me, girl. I took my nail glue, and I started back using super glue, by the way, y'all, because when I used just a regular glue, which wasn't my favorite glue to begin with anyway, my nails were just popping off left and right. And I finally found a technique for me that works for me as far as soaking off, because I didn't have a problem with my nails lasting with this. I just needed a good like routine to take them off, because I was literally ripping my nails, and that's not okay with me, because they gotta have something to stick to. Okay, so I took all of this to work, y'all. Don't tell nobody, girl. I took my nail drill, girl. I was in there you know what I'm saying, I was in there doing my shit, okay? Cause like both of my pinkies were missing, y'all. Yesterday I had to do my hair. It was a lot going on. Last night, okay, so last night was Sunday, y'all. So baby and I, we were up late watching we watching Don't Breathe 2, which was really good. Now we did go see Halloween on Friday. Did I tell y'all that? I don't know. We did go see Halloween Kills, but girl, Don't Breathe, we should have went and seen that in theaters. Like, we was in the bed just chilling, and it was a really good movie, girl. So yeah, we watched that last night. And then I was missing 2 nails, and y'all, my kids, like, kids are so funny, y'all. They noticed literally everything. And it was like, Miss McCall, your 2 nails missing. I'm like, look here, sis, don't be calling me out like that, because y'all know I don't get down like that either. Either I'm gonna have them all on, or they're gonna be all gone. Like, I hate when girls are missing nails. Like, girl, just take that shit off. Just take it off, because it look a hot mess. So literally in class, I had already brought my stuff anyway. So little sis was trying to come for me, but I had my shit ready, okay? And I had showed her, when we got back in the class, y'all, I was like, look. She was like, how you get those back on? I was like, I put them on. I told you, you ain't gonna catch me sleeping for about a good hour. And after that, I'm back on my game. Stop playing with me. But yeah, last night I ended up relaxing my hair. I ain't do no baby hairs or nothing, girl. Girl, I be on the go during the week, okay? I be on the go, okay? I be on the go. But on the weekends, I be outside. Cause I actually, I needed to relax my hair, but I actually have like some wigs that I wanted to get done and wear and stuff this weekend. So that's why I really didn't like do no weave. But it's nice to get a break. It's nice to get a break, girl, from all that hair. And I feel like I love my hair out of my face. Like it just shows how beautiful your face and your features are. Especially if you got a pretty face like me, okay? Then when your hair to your face be real cute. So I picked these up from Amazon, y'all. Long story short, they're basically like little, I can literally pour the acetone in here and literally soak my nails like this. So literally, if I got something to do or whatever, I can literally just hold it. And then I can just sit down, because that's what I did today at my job. I just sat down at my desk and I just used the pink one just to soak my nails off just with some acetone. I brought my nails, girl. I brought my glue. I put these bad boys on. I ain't polish them though, because I ain't want to be too loud and they be smelling. They be like, damn, you know what I mean? So I just kind of like, you know, put them on, and then I'm gonna get ready to polish them before I go to bed with just regular polish. Y'all know I use the jelly sandwich method. And then in the morning when I wake up, I'm gonna put my gel top coat on. And as far as these toes, girl, I was supposed to get my toes done. Make sure these even, honey. Yeah, they good. But I was supposed to get my toes done today, but I had so many extra errands to run, so I'm gonna get my toes done tomorrow. So what else did I get? So I picked those up from Amazon. So girl, I'll be sure to link these below if y'all are interested. If y'all wear press-on nails, if y'all wear acrylic nails and you want your nails off, this is the way to go. So got these. And then Bath and Body Works, girl, they also had their wallflowers for like $2.95. And y'all know I just bought wallflowers, but I had to get some more. So I got the Perfect Autumn, which smells really, really good. So picked up these two. Wait a minute, girl, because Kayson about to come out the bathroom. Okay. You got your towel. Okay. And then I also picked up, I got another fairy tale. I got a Tiki Beach. I'm actually probably getting ready to put this one in the laundry room like now. And then I also picked up the Harvest Gathering, which smells so good. This is like one of my favorite Christmas scents. It smells so good, girl. And then I ordered some more. I need to order some more nails too. So if y'all want to know what kind of nails I use and stuff like for my press-ons, because my nails be lasting like more than 2 weeks, like 3 weeks. Literally, if my toes lasted longer, I would literally keep my nails a lot longer than what I do. And I really could just honestly redo my toes and stuff, but I really just want to go get a pedicure and all of that stuff. I could just do it myself tonight. Sorry, y'all. I'm talking so fast. I'm all over the place. Y'all know. Y'all know how I be on these vlogs, girl. Ooh, don't zoom in, girl. Zoom me out, okay? So, yeah. Then I picked up some more lashes. My mom, when I do her makeup, she loves these lashes from AliExpress, y'all. For these to be $1, these are some really nice, fluffy, and wispy, like 3D lashes. Here's a better view of the lashes. So these are really pretty. These are more natural, and these are the 3D B07 lashes. These are from AliExpress. And then these are a little bit more dramatic. They're a lot thicker. And these are the B04 lashes. So both of these are cute. I tried these on her, but these will be something new. I would actually wear these myself. Super cute. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show y'all. I just wanted to catch y'all up, because yesterday I was just doing a lot of cleaning. I did my hair, like I said, and me and Babe were just kind of chilling together. So I went to Walmart. I picked up Kayson a second Halloween costume, because he wanted to wear like a Scream one to school. I mean, not to school, but he wanted to wear like a Scream one for when I take him, or when his dad take him trick-or-treating or doing whatever he wanted to do for Halloween. And y'all, actually, I don't know if it's the whole state of Alabama or if it's just where my city, but they're celebrating Halloween on Saturday instead of Sunday, which I totally get, because Alabama is like a religious kind of state, I guess. But me personally, I mean, I love Halloween, you know, and not really like too deep when you get too deep into it, but I just love the fact of dressing up and the costumes. That's what I love about it. But y'all know, you know, we love Jesus Christ over here, okay? So I just love like the aesthetic of it. Like, it's just fun and scary. I love scary movies. Like, my favorite type of movie is a horror or scary thriller kind of movie. So he got one costume to like have fun in. So I did find that one on Amazon. It was a Scream costume. And then he ended up getting another one. It's just like more like a fun character one that I just picked him up from Walmart while we were in there, so he can wear to school on Thursday. And then I gotta take my baby to get a haircut. And then, well, Glenn take my baby to get hair. Y'all, Glenn is the best. Like, give him like daddy of the year, okay? He ain't even no daddy, but he's a good stepdad to Kayson, y'all. He a good bonus dad. But he take my kid to get haircuts like every week. Stop playing with him, okay? I gotta give my baby when credit is due, because my baby be on it. Like, he is a really good father figure to Kayson. I gotta say that. I cannot cap about that. Like, for real, for real. And then it's another costume that he had got. He's gonna wear that Thursday. Oh, and while I was in there, y'all, actually picked up a rotisserie chicken. So baby wanted rotisserie chicken tonight with green beans and rice. I normally don't cook on a Monday, but hey, I ain't gotta cook the meat. I can whip up the rice and the green beans real quick. Enough of me rambling, enough of me running my mouth, girl. This clip has already been like 10 minutes long. I'm gonna try to break it down, but probably not, because the vlog really ain't been that long anyway. And let me go, because my man just pulled up and he gonna be ready to eat dinner. Okay? Talk to y'all in a second. What's up, you guys? So today is Tuesday and I'm actually sitting here editing this vlog. Y'all, this vlog is not even 15 minutes, girl. Like, last week and this week has been crazy. Like, I feel like I'm so overwhelmed with stuff that I have to do for YouTube, and also stuff that I have to do here at work, especially because you guys know it's Halloween. We've been having a lot of festivities and stuff going on at the school, so it's been a lot. But I promise you guys, the next week's vlog is gonna be way better, okay? It's gonna be way better. And y'all know I've been wanting to take y'all with me everywhere that I go, but sometimes it's hard, because especially like at the party, I wanted to vlog a lot more. I didn't take my camera. I had my phone, but I also don't really know how I feel about putting other people like out there on my channel, honestly, because I know that everybody has their own personal life and everybody has their own professional life, and I just don't, you know, maybe I'm thinking too much about it. Maybe I'm thinking too much about it, because people actually enjoy being on the vlogs. Like, nobody has a problem with it but me. Maybe I'm just overthinking. Y'all know I'm always in my head about stuff. Why is this camera not focusing? But yeah, I just think sometimes I'm just in my head about stuff. So I got a few clips, but this party that I'm going to this Saturday, I promise to do way better, y'all, okay? Because I love vlogging and I be want y'all to see what I be doing, okay? Because y'all be want to know. And sometimes Snap, I don't really have a lot on Snap and stuff like that, so I do kind of pull from what I do have and stuff like that. But nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys didn't think it was boring or anything like that. So today I do have a few things to do. I may go ahead and take you guys with me today. I do want to go get a pedicure, and I do need to run into Sally's and some other stores to pick up some things that I need to get. So I'll probably take you guys with me. I'll probably start a brand new vlog today. And here are my nails, girl. I have my polish in the car, because y'all know the nails and toes gots to match, period. And the kids in my class actually voted on my nail color, so they voted for black, but I end up going with this really deep purple. It looks black, but it's not black, girl. It's super pretty. Let me see if it's gonna focus. So yeah, this is what the nails look like, y'all. It's like this really deep eggplant purple. Girl, I love these nails with the shape. It's so pretty, and it's perfect for Halloween. So we voted on doing one hand black, one hand orange, one hand black, one hand white, which would have been super dope, super different. But I just decided to go ahead and just do all of them this color. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start next week's vlog today. So thank you guys so much for watching this short ass vlog. I appreciate you guys for just watching my channel, subscribing to my channel, commenting, sharing. All the love, all the support that you guys give me means everything to me, and it never goes unnoticed, sis. So I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye. Mwah.